Spend the day with me in Alabama. I left the inn this morning looking like a 90s grunge princess. Let's go. Now we went to the Only Door Cafe. I believe this is in Fayette, Alabama. It was adorable, quaint. There was a lot of seating and I just love this like shabby chic vibe. It was super warm, inviting. I could sit here all day, just cuddled up with a coffee and a book. I loved it, and so did Sharon. And the girl working was so nice. She made me this delicious sugar-free salted caramel iced latte. You guys, it's better than the coffees I make. I'm embarrassed to tell y'all that, but it was so good. Girl knew what she was doing. And I realized my cup had a sticker on it that says, Jesus loves you, and I love that. And I love these bell bottoms. This lady made these herself. They were so fetch cute. Is that what they say? I don't know. And then there was a hat bar at Big Juicy Fashion. You know I had to make myself a hat. I'm kicking myself for not making a Christmas hat. Why didn't I do that? I had to give you a little fashion show of my hat I made. I don't know. Little bougie. It's me. And let me go on and tell you, Miss Patience was there. I got to meet her, guys. She is Gorgina. Videos, internet does not do that girl justice. She is beautiful. I got me one of her hats. I love it. And then there was some jewelry there, and I found this necklace that said "But God," and I wanted to get it, and I should have. And then I found another one that said "Pray, Wait, Trust." Should have got that one too. I'm kicking myself. And then this lady had stuff there. She embroiders, and I believe she sells her stuff on Etsy. I'll try to see if I can find her thing. But I got me one of these washcloths. I'm gonna put it on my dishwasher. She had super cute like long sleeve and sweatshirts, and that one said Fayette because they pronounce Fayette down here. And when I saw Bama, I had to go looking. I got myself a red Bama sweatshirt that has this white embroidered lettering just like that one right there. This town is Hallmark worthy. Usually when I go places, I kind of have to be on high alert, paying attention to my surroundings. I did not feel that way here. It was super quaint, charming, again, Hallmark worthy. And we went to the Charming Cottage, and it was indeed charming. They had adorable Christmas trees. It was, oh my gosh, it smelled so good. They were so kind in there. I absolutely love it. Definitely would stop by and see that. Love their courthouse too. I decided to take a little stroll, walk through this cute town. I felt super safe doing so. I felt like I was walking down the streets in a Hallmark Christmas movie. A lot of cute shops and boutiques. You don't see that a lot in small communities anymore. They had frogs everywhere. Statues, pictures. Couldn't understand why we saw frogs everywhere. Someone told us this town used to be called Frog Level. I don't know if that's true. That's just what we were told. There was this little cafe called Fanny's everybody was raving about. Unfortunately, I didn't get to go. I thought this window scene was so cute. I don't know. It was just a cute little town and quaint. I really, really, really enjoyed myself there. We got hungry, went to Chicago Pizza, got myself a little personal extra cheese and sausage pizza. Now I'm going to tell you this. I know a lot of y'all aren't going to believe me. That boy brought our pizzas over the table and he looked at me and he said, "Do you need ranch?" I'm the only person he asked if they need a ranch. I'm a scream ranch queen when you look at me. He knew. That boy knew. We stayed at the Rose House Inn. It's just an old house. I have never stayed at a bed and breakfast or an inn in my life, so this was a new experience for me. It's very southern, very Victorian, and yeah, different experience for me, but I enjoyed the experience. It was very charming, and I kind of did a little tour around the house to show you guys. They had this really pretty picture of what the house looks like. This was my room. It was upstairs. Got a little warm up there, to be honest with you. But it was very quaint, and I enjoyed my stay, and I just love the porch outside. It was such beautiful scenery around here. Ain't nothing like a porch in the South. And that was it for my visit in Alabama, but I really, really, really enjoyed it.